Today on Knowing the 925, we are here in Brentwood at the bike shop. Let's go check it out. As local realtors, my team and I are often asked about the places in our town. I want to share some of our favorite businesses with you. I'm Carrie Cross with the Cross Group at Intero Real Estate, and this is Knowing the 925. Hi, thank you guys so much for having me. Tell me about the place.
Well, we are a family-owned bicycle shop that's been around 78 years. It was located in downtown Antioch, and we moved here to Brentwood.
We are a full-service shop. We offer new bikes, but a lot of our business is also repairs. So those thorns you get in tires, work on anywhere from kids to adults to even older people that may have some special needs, such as needing to use a walker, needing to use a wheelchair. We offer services for that, and whether it's a tube, a tire, fixing brakes.
Fit people to the bikes, that's another thing. We take existing bicycles that people are very unhappy with.
Any bike that you purchase from us comes with lifetime service or maintenance. We do offer quite a good selection here in the shop. Cruisers, BMX bikes, various kids bikes.
Pedal assist, electric assist bikes, road bikes, gravel bikes, hybrids. Cover a little of everything.
So I just finished up here at the bike shop. It was way harder than I thought to change the tube in that tire. I'm definitely bringing my son's bikes here. Amazing family-owned business. Please come and support them right here in Brentwood. We'll put all the information below, and we'll see you next time on Knowing the 925. Bye.